Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a product I received to create a video on Amazon. As a content creator, I often get products from companies to make videos for them to use on their channels, and you might not actually ever see them here on the Miss DeWalt channel. Because I think this torch is interesting and valuable as a survival item and for people that need camping gear, I decided to go ahead and showcase it in a dedicated video here on YouTube as well. Okay, so first for comparison, this is the typical fire starter that you can pick up for cheap at the dollar store. Mine never seem to want to light, and if it's windy, you can forget about it. So this is the survival torch that I got from Prepared 4X. Everything you need to start a safe, controlled fire is in this tube. So let me take it out of the packaging and show it to you. It comes in a little jute bag. Okay, you can see up close, the housing is made of a premium aluminum. There's a ferro rod and also a striker. This striker is attached with this clasp right here. And I know this looks to be about 3 feet. I'm gonna guess this is about 3 feet long, and you can buy replacements on their website for this too when you run out. Now, when you first get this, there's gonna be a protective paint, and you'll need to take this striker with the curved side down, and you'll want to strike this and remove that protective paint. Also notice on the end of this striker, there are little teeth, and you're gonna need to use that to fray the end of this rope, especially before you use it for the first time. You can even take these pieces and untwist the fiber, but I found it useful to put this on a flat surface and actually go like that and get it all roughed up. So all you do is strike this with the curved side down and light the end of the rope. Then you can light your fire, or in an absolute emergency situation, you could let this rope burn. It will last for a minimum of 3 hours, and it is crucial, like I said earlier, to fray the end of that rope. It's suggested also to set this torch on a flat surface while striking. I do have a little fire extinguisher close by, just in case some of these leaves or something were to catch on fire. Okay. Want to get that nice and frayed with those little teeth. And then again, this is not a real fire, so don't come at me. I'm going to actually kind of curve these up so that they're within the range of the sparks. Oh, look it. Okay. Can you see that? Okay, and then once your rope is burning, then you can go ahead and light your material. Okay, and we're going to pretend this is a fire. And then when you want to extinguish this, all you do is pull that rope down into the shaft. Except I don't actually want to burn my little table here. That's all you do. So let's pretend you got rained on and the rope is wet. This jute almost repels water as it is. So anyway, it got wet in this reenactment. So you would want to still like kind of rough it up and fray it. Ooh, well, the rope on the end of there. And you almost, I am having better luck if I kind of bend that up a little bit so that the sparks go to it. There we go. So that's after having it get wet. It will still light. I'm also going to show you, I wasn't planning on including this. This is something that is basically a fire extinguisher in a can. It doesn't take up a lot of room. You can put it in a cabinet or stash it somewhere. And anyway, you can put out a fire in, it says grease, fabric/trash, or an electric fire. I'll see if they have this on Amazon, and if they do, I'll include a link for this too. Good thing just to have on hand. This does sell on Amazon for around $24.99, and I'll include a shopping link in the description of this video for your convenience. Let me know if this video was helpful or interesting, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe here on YouTube to see future videos. As well, I'm also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Please find me there too. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.